over here. So I want to explain this now for you. Okay. So here what you want to do, you want to go and create one card called shopping cart. So just I think I have shared you the answer also. Just let's go and open that answer. Okay, so here you will be going to create first a class shopping cart. So you will be taking product, right? So you will be going to, I have taken here a product, iPhone, iMac, iWatch, iPad. These are the product and how many products are left. So this is the product and this is how many products are left. So afterwards, these are the prices of that respective product. So here I have taken an object member as a cart because it will be a different for everyone. Okay, so afterwards what in a cart what you will be going to do, you will be adding an item, you will be removing an item. So in that cart, so how many items you will be buying, so for that you will be having a total cost. So these are all the things what you will be having in a cart thing, right? So here what you are doing, a def add item. In add item what should is main thing, so the name of that item and quantity, how much you want. You want to buy only one or two. Okay, next the name not in self dot class product dot key. Okay, so here you can give directly because you are going to access what, you are directly accessing the class. You are accessing what, class member inside the object method. You are accessing the class member inside the object method. So double underscore class double underscore will be giving you the name of the class. Or else here directly in this place, directly you can go and give the shopping cart, your name of the class. Directly you can go and give the shopping cart, your name of the class. Okay, so here you are checking what the name you will be giving. It is here what the name you will be giving, it is here. If it is not there, then you want to tell the product not available. Then you want to tell product not available. If it is there, okay, if it is there, so you want to check it is lesser than or equal to your quantity. It is equal to your quantity. If it is lesser than, sorry, greater than or equal to your quantity, so then you will be going to attend. Okay, so this should be greater than your quantity. So then you can go and add that thing to your cart. What you will be adding? Name of that, price of that. So here also to extracting a price, directly here you can write a shopping cart. Okay, or else double underscore class double underscore will be giving the name of that. Okay, so this it is a dictionary. So you are calling price is what, price is a variable name. So variable dot that name. So what if you're taking iPhone here, so variable dot that iPhone, like that. Okay, next quantity. So how much quantity you want, 1 or 2 or 3? So the quantity. As soon as you are buying, it should be what? It should be detected from your quantity. Here it should be detected. Okay. Else, rise and value error means if it is greater than. Okay, if you ask that, so here you are having iWatch only 2, you have 3. So it's a product is like already it becomes 0. If you are asking again that, so it will tell product out of stock. We are not having any stock for that. So that what you will be going to rise as an error. Okay, that what you will be going to rise as an error. So next function is a def total cost. Next what? A def total cost. Here you will be going to return Okay, you will be going to return. So first you will be traversing through this card. Okay, in that card you will be traversing and you will be price. Okay, for item in self dot card. So what the item will be there? Item of that prices. So in this you will be having a dictionary because you are saving this in the form of what? Dictionary. So in that item of price means item of price multiplied by item of quantity. Price is 800. You have taken two iPhones means 800 multiplied by 2 like this. Okay, after this I'm buying another one called iPad also one. So 4 iPad is what? 4000 into 1. So what? 4000 means what? Previously 8000 into 2 800 into 2, now 4000 into 1. So that you want to go and sum it out. So you will be getting a total cost of that. Okay, next. Remove item. So you will be checking what you are given the name of that. It is present inside a card. If it is present, so then you will be going to remove that item. If the quantity is 1, directly you will be going to remove that item. If the quantity is 2, you will be going to decrease that one item at a time. If you want to remove again, you want to go and apply again that method, remove item. Okay, so this how it will be going to. So here you are creating one thing. So afterwards you are adding iPhone quantity to next iPad quantity. By default it will be 1 because you only give 1 here. By default it will be 1. So now print I1 dot card. So here it will be, see, this is your card. Afterwards you are doing the total of that. It will take a prices multiplied by 2. After it will go and take the prices of this and it will be giving you 5600. So afterwards you want to go and remove that iPhone. So you can see it is removing it out. First you have removed iPad, iPhone you have removed. So iPhone quantity is 2, so it is removed only once. If you want to remove again, you will be going to. So now if you want it, your card will be empty because you have removed everything. So this how it will be going to work. Okay. Okay, Pranay. So let's go for the next topic called polymorphism today. Any doubt up to here? Others? Yeah. Okay. So next we will be going for a polymorphism. So polymorphism. What do you mean by this polymorphism? Poly means what? Many. Morphism means what? Form. What is this many forms? So it will refers to a method, function, or an operator with the same name that can be executed on many other objects or a classes. So for example, if you check here, okay, see here I will be going to take one string. Okay, if you go and check that a length of this string, so it will go and check what each character, how many characters are there, right? So this len function what is doing here, how many characters are there? The same thing, if you're giving this for your a list. So if you're giving this for a list, the multifactorial length of this L, so it is telling 3, means what? Here it is going to calculate here each one element as a one thing, one element as a one item, one element as a one item. So like this it will be going to consider here each character, here each element. Okay. So but here also a same length function, here also same length function. It's a method or a function with the same name that can be executed on, okay, executed on object or a class. Okay, the same. So that only. It's a refer to a function with the same name, but it will be going to execute in a many form. So same polymorphism. Okay, many forms. A function or an operator, it will be having same name, but it will be working on a different forms. For example, if you are going to use here a star symbol, so for a number, so what it will be? It will be like a product. Okay, it will be going to do what? A product. So the same thing if you're going and doing for a string. If you're going to go for a string, then what it will be? It will be like a replication. The same operator. So it is operating in a two different forms. For an integer it will be different, for a string it will be different. Okay, this is what a operator with the same name, but it will be executed on differently on many objects. Okay, similarly your plus operator, it will work as addition for us numbers, and it will be going to operate for a string, it will be operating as a concatenation. Okay, so that's what it will. Now let's go and check how to go and achieve this. You know now, you understood how it will be. Now I want to achieve how to achieve this polymorphism. Now let's go and see how to achieve the polymorphism. Okay, before that some announcement is there. Afterwards I'll be continuing. Let's move again. Achieve this polymorphism in 3 ways. So operator overloading, method overloading, method overriding. Okay, but in Python you can go and do only operator overloading and method overriding. Method overloading it can't be done in Python. Okay, so only operator overloading and method overloading. So first we will be going to take operator overloading. Write it right? Yeah. See here. First operator overloading. So what is this? First we will be going for an example. Next we can write a definition for that. Okay. So first let's go on. See them. What is this operator overloading? So operator overloading means we will be just going to add operator again and again. No. So here each and every operator will be pointing towards one or other magic method. Each and every operator will be pointing towards a magic methods. So what are these magic methods? Okay, just observe. So we will be going to call that as a dental methods also. So that magic method is also known as a dental method. So if you see here a DIL of int. Okay. So you are having, see if the plus operator, this plus operator will be pointing towards this double underscore and double underscore. Okay, plus operator will be pointing towards a double underscore and double underscore. So similarly, subtraction operator will be pointing towards the double underscore, subtraction double underscore, sub double underscore. Means what? So that method is implemented inside integer. So you can go and use that method. That particular method is implemented inside your integer. You can use. Now, for example, see here, if I'm writing here a class points. So here I will be just going to create. So a is equals to 98. So now here a def double underscore. So here, let's see. Let's create here a point object. So here created two object. Now if I will be going to print P1 plus P2. So now if I am adding this, just observe, you will be getting an error that unsupported operand. Why it is giving like this unsupported operand? Because inside this point, dir of points, you are not having that double underscore add double underscore method. Okay, you are not having that. So that's why you can't use it. So you can't use subtraction because you're not having the double underscore sub double underscore method. That's why you can't go and use it out. Okay, so what we want to do? So if you want to go and operate that operator, first of all you want to go and overload it inside the class. Means you want to go and redefine that inside a class. Already you know that. So this operator for which method it will be, and you want to go and operator for that class. Okay, now you can go and write a def double underscore and double underscore. So here, how you will be going to implement, in that way it will be. For example, just see here, you will be going to return here 67, so 76. See, just if you're implementing in this way, right? Yes. See, just what you have given here, it will be, means what you will be going to implement inside this, it will be implementing in that. Okay, what will be implementing here, it will be implementing in that. Here self will refer to, so for which, so you are doing P1 will be giving for self. For P2 where you will be going to take, for you are taking another one argument, you can take anything here, so that is nothing but the other. Okay, you can take anything. Okay, so first one will be what? A P1 will be a self, second one other will be a, so what will be taking P2 or anything what the object it will be. The first object it will be considered as a self, second object it will be considered as a other. Okay. So here you will be going to return that self dot A plus other dot A. So now you can see 98 plus 98, 196. 98 plus 98, 196. So similarly, so if you want to go and operate not subtraction operator, so if you're operating it will be, no, it will be giving error because it is not implemented. Implemented. So here you will be giving what, def double underscore sub double underscore, so self comma other. Okay, so other will be just taking only one element. Okay, so self will be taking first element, other will be taking another one element. Okay, so only, so you can go and create here what, you have created only two objects, means adding. Here you can go and add only two numbers. You want to add three numbers, so then you have to go and create another one according to your requirement. Here only requirement you are going to add or subtract two things only. Okay, so here you will be going to written so self dot a minus other dot a. So now 89 minus 89 it will be a 0 only, right? So just here I will be going to change that p2 dot a is equals to sum 45. So now you can observe 89 minus 45 it will be what? 53. 89 minus 45 it will be what? 53. Okay, so this what it will be. So it is the addition and it is a subtraction. Similarly, you can go and do for a multiplication. Okay, so here, if then now you can go and add the definition for this. It is a phenomenon. So it is a phenomena of making the operator to work. Previously it was operator is working? No. Previously it was not working. Okay? It's a phenomenon making to work operator to work on that particular object of the user defined class. So this points is a what? User defined class. By invoking the respective magic method. So by invoking a particular respective for addition, you want to use double underscore add only. You can't use your full form addition. No. So they are already predefined that magic methods. You must ensure you want to use that only. You can't change the name of that magic methods. You can't change the name of the magic methods. Okay. So you can observe here. In integer, you are having the double underscore add, so it will addition will work for integer. Okay. So if you want check here dir of a list, for a list also you are having the double underscore add, so that addition will be working for a list. So if you want check a dir of a set, so for a set you are having the double underscore add double underscore no. So that's why if you are going to add, that's why if you are going to add two sets, you will be giving the error. You will be getting an error because that particular method is not implemented inside it set. They didn't create it inside the set class, so you will be getting an error. Similarly, here whenever you want to go and make any operator to work in your user defined class, whenever you want to go and operate to your user defined class. So first you want to go and invoke that respective magic method. You want to go and invoke the respective magic methods. Okay. Understood this operator overloading. For a multiplication, you are having something called dev double underscore mul double underscore. Okay, so here you will be going to written. So that's self dot a multiplied by other dot a. That's it. So it will be similarly for a division. You are having two things: true division and false floor division. Any doubt up to here? Overloading. So I told that method. Other is one of the argument, like see if you're giving here a, how a is one argument, right? Similarly, the other is also that argument. It's an argument to take another one object. So self will be taking one object, and other will be taking another one object. It is also just I have given your name as a other. Give any other two names. That's it. Give another two names. Yeah, give.